Hello and welcome back, welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Let me show you how we saute mushrooms in the Chinese takeaway. Now, this is one of the healthiest ways you can cook mushrooms at home also because we're going to use zero oil. No oil at all. Simply start off by washing all the muck and dirt and grime off those mushrooms and get them nice and sparkling clean. Then line the mushrooms up and chop to about a medium thickness. Now, don't make the mistake of cutting your mushrooms too thin because they will shrink in size once we start cooking these. Heat up your wok to a very high temperature and then we're going to place the mushrooms into a dry wok. We're not going to use any oil at all. We're just going to add in some water and then we're going to go in with some dark soy sauce. Give your mushrooms a quick toss and allow time for the soy sauce to draw out all the moisture in the mushrooms. And while these are cooking, can I just give a quick shout out to my newest YouTube members, Anne-Marie Lynch, T. McKay and Raymond Brady. Thank you very much for giving me the incentive to keep going and for the help with the cost of these mushrooms. So once your sauce has reduced and there's no water or soy sauce left, we're going to make a small hole in the middle and put in some butter. Let's see if I can get it off this spatula. There we go. So allow your butter to melt and then we're going to go in with some chopped garlic. These mushrooms are so tasty, easy and fast to make. Why not make them as a side to go along with your Christmas dinner? Lovely jubbly. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe and drop a comment and let me know where you are. Oh, they smell amazing.